how daily sweet potato consumption can change your body. Every detail shared here is an essential revelation for those seeking a healthier and balanced life. The significance of this information lies in the unique power of sweet potatoes, capable of positively impacting your health from vision to blood sugar regulation. Don't miss out, as each reason presented is a crucial piece in the puzzle of your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Follow along, absorb, and transform with the sweet potato. Daily sweet potato consumption can bring about a series of incredible benefits to our health, turning this superfood into a true nutritional treasure. Rich in essential vitamins such as A and C, potassium, and fiber, sweet potatoes stand out as a complete source of nutrients. The presence of vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, is particularly noteworthy, playing a crucial role in maintaining ocular health. Beta-carotene, in addition to giving sweet potatoes their vibrant color, acts as a powerful antioxidant, combating damage caused by free radicals in the body. The benefits don't stop there. The vitamin A in sweet potatoes not only prevents issues like macular degeneration and blindness, but also contributes to skin cell renewal, promoting healthy and radiant skin. This essential nutrient controls sebum production, preventing pore clogging and, consequently, the onset of acne. Moreover, sweet potatoes have anti-inflammatory properties thanks to beta-carotene, which help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to the prevention of chronic diseases. By incorporating sweet potatoes into our daily diet, we also enjoy cardiovascular health-related benefits. The potassium in the food is known to keep blood pressure under control, reducing the risks of heart diseases and strokes. Additionally, the fiber in sweet potatoes aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, contributing to weight loss and preventing overeating. Sweet potatoes, aside from being a true nutrient treasure, offer a notable benefit that can make a difference for many people: blood sugar control. This root surprises by having a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar into the blood slowly and gradually. This characteristic makes sweet potatoes a valuable ally for those looking to maintain glucose levels under control, especially for individuals with diabetes. For those dealing with daily diabetes management, choosing foods with a low glycemic index is crucial. Sweet potatoes excel in this aspect, avoiding sudden spikes in blood glucose levels, providing a more stable response to the consumption of this carbohydrate. This stability is vital to prevent complications associated with diabetes and promote overall balanced health. In addition to glycemic control, the fiber in sweet potatoes plays an essential role in promoting weight loss and maintaining a healthy diet. The fibers provide a lasting feeling of fullness, which is especially beneficial for avoiding overeating and unhealthy snacks. By regularly consuming sweet potatoes, it's possible to feel satisfied for longer, reducing the urge to eat between meals and contributing to maintaining a healthy weight. Thank you for joining us this far. If this video brought valuable insights to you, share it to spread this transformative knowledge. Don't forget to leave a like if the information was helpful. And of course, subscribe to not miss any exclusive content on health and well-being. Together, we can inspire more people to take care of themselves. Thanks for your trust, and until the next video.